Welcome to the beautiful Disneyland Hotel in Paris. My name is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're exploring a superior room with Terrace in their large bed configuration. This room comes with a Murphy bed for additional bedding, and we're going to be going over all the details to give you a complete look at what to before you secure your room or suite at this beautiful 5-star hotel. Before booking, remember to contact the Vacationeer for exclusive rates, insider knowledge like how to get tickets included with your stay, and concierge services that you won't find anywhere else. Reach out today to secure the best value on your next Disney vacation. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and tour the room. As you enter, the master lighting control is right at your fingertips with daylight and nighttime presets. On the opposite side, you'll find a full wall of storage featuring open hanging space and shelving. You'll also find a dedicated closet for full-length items, home to your plush robes, slippers, and thoughtful extras like a lint roller and a shoehorn. The room safe and additional drawer storage are tucked just below with a large full-length mirror just around the corner, perfectly positioned for getting ready. Inside the bathroom, the double vanity features a large mirror with a magnifying mirror on one side, and you'll also have upgraded bath products and a curated amenity kit for those smaller essentials. You'll find the hairdryer on the open shelving down below. This category features a large walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, a handheld wand, and daily refilled bath amenities. A heated towel rack rounds out the space, with the toilet conveniently tucked away in its own private room. Moving into the bedroom, the king-size bed features upgraded linens, honestly some of the comfiest we experienced on our whole trip. Both sides are flanked by outlets, included USB ports and controls for the wall lamps, reading lights, and master settings. The floating nightstands offer drawers for small items, while the benches at the foot of the bed and the ample space underneath provide plenty of room to tuck away luggage. Next to the bed is some drawer storage topped with my favorite feature, the Lavazza coffee maker. Refreshed daily with your preferred flavors, you'll also find a kettle for tea and hot chocolate for the kiddos or the young at heart. For cold options, the mini fridge is restocked daily with water, juices, and a selection of snacks like trail mix and nuts. On the opposite side of the room, you'll find the Murphy bed that can be used for additional bedding. Directly above is the flat panel smart TV, which is elegantly hidden behind mirrored glass. And in the corner, the writing desk doubles as a vanity and serves as a tech hub with HDMI to hook up to the TV, USB, 4 European plugs, and 1 UK plug. On the far side of the Murphy bed, there's even more drawer storage to tuck things away. I also want to highlight that select rooms in this category offer connecting capabilities, a fantastic option for larger families or groups. It's the perfect way to double your square footage and create a massive shared royal residence for everyone to enjoy. Stepping outside onto your ground floor terrace, you'll find 2 chairs and a table, and I love that these terrace rooms exit out into garden areas with gorgeous landscaping. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a peaceful evening or a quick pit stop in the middle of the day to recharge before attending the stunning evening shows in the parks. We have full videos of the shows on our channel if you want to check them out, but I assure you they are better in person. Beyond your accommodations, the Disneyland Hotel invites you to live out your own fairy tale. The true luxury of the Disneyland Hotel is its location. It serves as the gateway to Disneyland Park. You are quite literally just steps away from the turnstiles, meaning you can transition from your breakfast table to Main Street, USA in mere minutes. For families, this proximity is a game changer. It offers the freedom to easily pop back to the room for a midday nap, a quick outfit change, or a quiet break away from the crowds, all without missing a beat of the magic. Located inside the hotel is delicious gourmet French cuisine at La Table des Lumières, or you can feast like royalty at the Royal Banquet. You can unwind with a signature cocktail at the Fleur de Lis bar, take a refreshing dip in the sun-drenched crystal pool, or stroll through the serene Fantasia Gardens. And for the youngest guests, the Royal Kids Club offers magical storytelling and private character encounters that they'll never forget. Ready for the grand tour? Dive into our full resort guide or check out the videos touring the other room and suite categories on our channel for an inside look at every enchanted corner of this 5-star masterpiece. And to make the most of your Disneyland Paris vacation, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down below to get started. We handle every detail of the planning so you can just simply sit back, relax, and soak up every bit of the Disney magic. This is Taylor from the Vacationeer, and if this tour helped you envision your next royal getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends.